how compact would Earth with a mass of 5.98 into 10 to the power of 24 kg need to be compressed to form a black hole, where its gravitational field is so intense that not even light can escape. Okay, okay, we need to find here. Okay, so in order for Earth to become a black hole, its escape velocity must be equal to speed of the light. Okay, then the escape velocity is given by, that is under root of 2gm divided by 2gm divided by r, which is equal to c. Then solving for the r value, we need to find r is equal to 2gm divided by c square. Then by substituting the values, above values, then r is equal to 2 into g is equal to, we know that is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into m value is 5.98 into 10 to the power of 24 whole divided by 9 10 to the power of 16. Then by simplifying, we get the answer 8.86 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. We can write this one as 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. That means if you promote constants as a 10, then this becomes 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Then option C is the right answer.